Hi, I'm Sarah from Jobber. Did you know you can create a polished professional campaign in under a minute? With just a short description from you, Jobber AI does the heavy lifting, so you can save time and stay connected with your clients. Once you've added campaigns to your plan, select Marketing from the side navigation, then select Campaigns. At the top of the page, there is a section to generate a campaign. I'm going to enter a short description of the type of campaign I'd like to send out, which is a campaign promoting my fall cleanup services to my existing customers. Then I'm going to click Generate Email. Jobber will create a subject line, body text, and call to action button for my email campaign. Before I send it out, I'm going to review what's been generated and make any edits needed. First, I'm going to review the recipients of the email campaign. To customize the recipients, you can filter by tags, properties, or other client details to make sure the right people get your message. Next, I'm going to review the email content. A quick way of changing the voice and tone of the message is to edit the email content and use the rewrite button. Now that I'm happy with the content, I'm going to review the call to action button. This can link to your online booking page, request form, or website. Once everything looks good, the email can be sent now or scheduled to send later. And that's it. With just a few clicks, your campaign is ready to go. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out our other videos.